Hey and welcome back to another tutorial video. In this video we will find out the best VPN for US and Canada streaming by comparing NordVPN and ProtonVPN in 2025. If you're looking for the best VPN for US and Canada streaming in 2025, then watch this till the end and hit that subscribe button so you won't miss any future uploads, and let's get into this. NordVPN is more affordable if you choose its basic plan, although you'll also get fewer features that way. ProtonVPN is the go-to option if you're looking for a secure freemium VPN with unlimited bandwidth that's available completely for free. With NordVPN, your only options are the 3-day free trial and 30-day money-back guarantee. ProtonVPN has more servers than NordVPN, which can increase connection speed and help unblock more geo-restricted content. Security experts have an easier time scrutinizing ProtonVPN because its apps are open source. NordVPN is cheaper overall than ProtonVPN, but the features included depend on your chosen subscription tier. Like ProtonVPN offers a free plan besides its paid subscriptions, which might be the deciding factor for some potential customers. ProtonVPN's most budget-friendly option is the free tier. The second option is the cheapest ProtonVPN Plus tier. The monthly option costs $9.99 per month. The annual plan is $3.99 per month, and the longest 2-year plan costs $3.59 per month. The final option is Proton Unlimited. The monthly subscription costs $12.99 per month. The annual alternative is $9.99 per month, and the 2-year option is $7.99/month. NordVPN's most affordable basic plan. This plan costs $12.99 per month when paying monthly, $4.99 per month annually, and $3.09 per month for the 2-year plan. The second tier is Plus. This well-balanced subscription costs $13.99 per month on the monthly plan, $5.99 per month on the annual plan, and $3.99 per month when signing up for 2 years. The third option is Complete. Ting for this subscription will set you back $14.99 per month on the monthly plan, $6.99 per month on the annual plan, and $4.99 per month on the 2-year plan. The final option is Prime, costing $17.99 per month when paid monthly, $8.99 per month when paid annually, and $6.99 per month when picking the 2-year plan. Through that basic comparison, you can easily decide what suits you and your workflow. Thank you so much for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials like this.